Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this cute reindeer sign just in time for Christmas. This makes a great gift, or you can keep it to decorate your house. For this project, you'll need a picture frame, some cardstock big enough to fit in your frame, and some vinyl. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. Today I'm using permanent vinyl in black. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. This project has a lot of words in thin writing, which can be trickier to weed. These letters aren't so skinny that I need to do reverse weeding, but one thing I did do to help weed them is put boxes around each word. This way, I can focus on a little area at a time. It makes it a lot easier on a larger piece like this one. If you want to try this method, just add some rectangles around your writing in design space, then attach those rectangles to the writing. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Let's get the picture frame ready. I'll flip this over and take everything out of the frame. I have my cardstock, but it's a little big. I'll use the paper that came with the frame as a template to determine how big I need to cut out my cardstock. I'll cut this to size. Now I can reassemble the frame with the cardstock in the front. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. If you're making a large design and the backing paper is getting in your way, you can always just cut off a bit as you go. Now I can place the design into position. That looks good, so I'll stick it down. And I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. I'll just add one finishing touch, a pom-pom for Rudolph's nose. This project is done and ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.